Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I got a new lamp in. This is going to go on the top of my 5K iMac. This is basically a LED reading lamp. I don't know that I would ever use it for that. However, if it's bright enough, I can definitely use this for, because currently I have a studio lamp right up there giving me lots of light. And that's just one. I have really bright studio lights. But here is the lamp that goes on top here. And is considered to be a ScreenBar e-reading lamp. So it just runs off of USB, and I think this will be pretty cool to keep up on my 5K Mac, and it should be long enough. Gives you pretty simple instructions there to put it on. So let's get it open here. Okay, let's just put this knife down. Get it unboxed. And it's going to have some pretty simple instructions in here. Here's the lamp. It's a nice lamp. We've got some warranty cards, and this is the bar. Wow, this is a heavy bar. Wow. And this clamps on. Wow, this is a weighty bar, and I guess it's weighted like that to keep the lamp upright. So here's the actual LED stored away. You can see there. Here it is. Very nice. As you can see, here are the LEDs inside of here, and this is actually covered, so you won't be able to damage it at all. Here is the brightness level right here. This is a lock more than likely. It looks like this is a power right here and some other things here. It actually tells you right here. So micro USB, light sensor, hue adjustment, dimmer, power, and auto dimmer. Okay. It's not going to be very hard to figure out. Let's go ahead and get it all hooked up. That seems to be the only thing in the box. So we'll get it all set up. This is what you get in the box right here. So we'll get this all set up, and then I will be right back, and I'll show you what it actually looks like up on the monitor itself. Okay, so the light is installed right up here. You can see on the top of my monitor. So I'm going to turn off the studio light. And I've got the room completely dark now, and you can see how bright this light is. If I was going to illuminate something, you can see this is how bright it is. And all the different controls on top, they're actually really good. I mean, I probably could use this light if I didn't have any other lights. I could probably use this light for a video. That's how bright it is. And you can actually change that, how bright it is. You can change it, make it darker. There's different controls up top. But, this is definitely something that I'm definitely going to use. I'm actually going to leave it up there. I'm going to leave it because there's plenty of times where I might want to do a video and I want to turn off the studio light but then turn on the backlight back here. So I can still light up my area really well with this reading light. This is a really bright LED light. And then I can still keep it moving and not have to turn on the big studio light. So while this is a e-reading light shining down on us, you can see how bright it is. So just wanted to do this quick video for you, show you the new reading lamp. I'll have a link in the description. This is from BenQ. And let me zoom back up here. The light itself, you can see where I have positioned that. And that weight right there is to help keep it balanced out. It's a huge weight up there. And it helps keep it balanced from leaning forward. So with that being said, this is actually a really nice lamp from BenQ. So it's your man Jay Will. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for more.